Hi everyone, welcome to Yourpedia. And as you all know, that Team Yourpedia is in BITS Pilani, and here I got a chance to interact with some of the students. They are pursuing their ME communication, and currently we're in 5G lab, guys. Yeah, I cannot see much of the smiles and interaction on your face. So what is this video all about? It's going to be an interactive session where I'm going to ask a lot of questions about the institute related to its infrastructure, any of the doubts they have before joining the institute, the scholarship opportunities, the exam pattern, HT exams, gate exams, and lots of other things. So it's going to be a complete hit-on video where it's going to be a chit-chat session. But before I initiate and I just throw some of the questions on them, I would be asking them and requesting them to introduce themselves, right? And you just have to majorly tell me your names, from the which part of the India you are coming from, and what you're pursuing over here right now. Okay? Yeah.
Hi everyone, I am Saloni Sinha and I am a student of ME Communication. I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Saharia. I am from Communication Department of batch of 2027.
Okay, so why not smile on your face?
Hello everyone, my name is Richa Anand. I'm based in Jammu and Kashmir, to be precise from Jammu, and I am from ME Communications, pursuing communication systems, and we are the batch of 2027.
Great.
Hello everyone, I'm Harshita Khare. I'm from MP and I did my graduation in electrical and I'm doing ME Communication from BITS Pilani. I love this place.
Hello everyone, I am Shravya Anjali. I am currently pursuing ME Communication Engineering and I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, before I started with this video, I was trying to ask their names, right? And I asked Sarvanjali what is the meaning of her name, to which she told that she doesn't know. So she told me I'll tell that who kept my name, who was the person.
It's my father.
So you never asked like what's the meaning of your name? It's a beautiful
I
name.
asked many times but I kept on forgetting all the time.
Chalo. Okay, the very first thing which I want to ask is like know about campus. You're going to tell me about its infrastructure. Like the campus is huge, the infrastructure is wide, and it's like very aesthetic one. What's your take on it, guys?
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. It's pretty beautiful. Before coming, we had many doubts that how the campus will be, but it's very huge, and we have some old buildings also, and we have some new infrastructure also. Maybe you have seen our NAB building, which is a new academic building. That is top notch, and we have FD1, FD2, and FD3, and our hostels are very good. And I had doubts about hostels before, but now I'm comfortable.
See, it's a very old, I would say, institute,
Yeah.
right? So students do have a doubt these days that we want to go in a modern and the vibe should be like this. But this place, I think, even it's a very old one, but the I would say the comfort zone and everything is really good.
And
Or
they
any-
have maintained it.
yeah, they have
well.
maintained it. That's the point. The hygiene and the greenery and the sanitation, everything is so good, right? Okay. Second thing, which will be about the hostels, which you just mentioned me. Who want to take the questions on hostels? All hostelers over here?
Yeah, so we are residing in residential area here only. So we have basically one hostel for girls and 11 hostels for boys. So
Okay.
the girls one is Meera Bhavan, and there are 5 blocks in total. No, 9. There are 9 blocks in total, and the sanitary conditions and the health conditions, the cleanliness is top notch. Like every day, the maids come and they clean the bathrooms very properly. Even the basins are cleared very properly. The flush, everyone, like everything is very properly.
Like I heard two words for this institute. That is, they have great warmth and they are very welcoming in nature. Is this
also,
true?
one more important thing, in summers we don't have AC, but we have vents, so there's no issue like you will be feeling very hot in summers because we have vents all over the hostels. So
Because the heat of
we should-
Rajasthan is known,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, but they are vents.
Common rooms which
Yeah,
provide
so-
ACs, so we can,
You can
stay there and
stay
study.
there at night and study.
So common rooms and gym facilities and everything, all good?
Yeah, gym is also totally fine.
Totally fine. And the food, which other students do have a doubt. Food kaisa hoga? Mess ka khana kaisa hoga?
Like the diaspora of BITS Pilani is large. Like many of the students come from different parts of country to Pilani, but all we know that all these states have different cuisines. At the start, they will have problem, but with time, they will be adapt to the taste of
But
the
the
food here.
hygiene of the food is all fine.
Yeah, it's good. Like it's good.
Top notch. Now I want to know about the boys' hostel also.
Some boys hostels is also very good, ma'am. Also we have like sports facilities also,
Right.
like people like boys plays crickets inside, and there is common room for table tennis also. We play table tennis also, and we play badminton also. Like we have lawns also. Like sports area is very good,
Even I could see the sports facilities over here is like the cricket facilities. Sir was huge. Sir is a huge fan of cricket, and I tell he was admiring like, wow, what a lawn and everything. I want to play over here, right? So I think that all you would call it in short that the infrastructure, be it hostels, be it for the proper classroom structure, everything is top notch, right? Okay, so one important thing, all of the students whosoever wants to take seek admission in BITS Pilani, they have a doubt, like will we able to adjust, or there are certain lots of doubts. What were your doubts before you wanted to seek in admissions, and are those doubts resolved today?
Yeah, actually, as you can see, we have diversity in our class only.
Exactly, there
Yeah,
are different
and
parts.
now we all are like friends, and everybody is welcoming, and everything is warm here actually.
Right.
In hostel also, we live like sisters and friends, and room in each other's rooms and all. That is fine. But what I had as a doubt, because I'm from an electrical background, and I was going to change my branch in
Right.
EC, so I had that doubt. But now here everyone is like very helping, faculties and all my classmates and friends, everyone is helping. So now I think I overcome that doubt. I had overcome that doubt.
You overcome that doubt. Any other doubts?
I had a chance to go to NIT because I cleared GATE, so I had a chance. But there was, I also got a chance to come here.
Right.
So when comparing the branches, I got communication there in NIT Silchar, I guess, and here also I got communication. But while comparing, I went through ChatGPT, every AI possible. I went through that, and it said that BITS Pilani is actually I got Hyderabad first, but then I got upgraded and I got Pilani. So it was actually, I guess, God must be with me. That's why I got Pilani campus.
So are you satisfied with your decision
Yes,
today?
of course.
Pretty happy?
Yes.
Everyone is pretty happy to be part of Pilani,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
I could not hear the voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, like that, he's shy.
He's shy. Okay. No, that's nice. But I could see the diversity over here also, right? So is like I can see all parts of India, like from
Everywhere you can see.
In every corner, nook and corner of country, you can see the students coming from different parts of
yesterday
country.
we were just roaming in BITS Pilani, and we see like there are lots of food courts, like something that to like maybe
Yeah.
by 2 a.m. in the midnight or all day
So
snacks.
there is
and
basically an ANC, like all night canteen. It runs till 4 a.m. I guess.
And I think the
in
parents
morning.
would feel really comfort because everything. I think supermarket is there inside
Yeah,
here.
there's a
Domino's, I
market,
could
yeah,
see.
Domino's,
I could not see
yes.
all because it's a huge. I told you it's a very huge place. So something that's a beautiful place or the best thing you would like to suggest and go and see, which it will be.
The best thing
I
is
think the-
radies, I'd say. I'd say the best thing is radies over
Yeah,
here.
we have radies. In each hostel, we have radies.
Okay.
Radies is a small stall which they prepare some parathas and samosas and kachoris
Okay.
and sandwiches and everything you can get it. And for Mira Ready, it is open till 11:30 or 12 for us. And Mira Ready is best, I think. For us, it is like we can. It's inside hostel actually. So we
Okay.
need not
So
to
vendor
go very
zones
far.
are there, right? The
Yes.
kind of a vendor zones.
In
right?
every boys' hostel also
has
ready
its
is
own
there,
ready.
and we also have I think 4 cafes. Looters is there. It is near SAC and Student Activity Center, and we have Domino's now, and we have all night canteen. We have CP also, but CP closes by 10,
Okay.
10:30, and CP we have many cafes.
So your parents are pretty satisfied about your safety
Yeah.
and security.
Yeah.
See, the girls and even the boys today, everyone I would say,
Yeah,
that
everything
the
is safe
people
here.
feel that the safety is primarily there.
Yeah, we cannot go outside the campus after 9 o'clock and after 8 o'clock actually, and we cannot come inside after 9 o'clock.
And how are the wardens? Supportive?
Yeah,
ma'am, it's very supportive.
they are very supportive. Whenever we need leave, they approve it. They talk to our parents also. They call us also if we are not. If we sometimes forget to scan our faces, we have scanners everywhere.
Okay.
We need to do our attendance and everything.
That's pretty
That
cool,
is-
I would
yeah.
say, right? So I think that pharmacy and all these things, medical
Yeah, we
facilities.
have MedC.
So I think I didn't miss anything till now. That there are lots of things I'm mentioning. I have heard about Saraswati Temple and all, right? So which is a beautiful place, I would say, like outside the campus also and in the campus.
Yeah,
Tell us about all the places. Like tell to the viewers.
I visit temple every day.
Okay, that's why you just okay. Okay.
It is a really cool place. Like every temples are mostly peaceful, and this temple infrastructure is in such a way that even in summers, if you go inside, it will be really very cool.
Okay.
And it is so silent. You can sit there how much time you want, and the idol, it is also so beautiful, and the everything about the temple. The infrastructure is
So
very
you don't
good.
have the words to define you're
Yeah,
the
yeah,
kind of
yeah.
player to get you got
Yes,
over there,
yes.
right? And the market facilities, everything outside, because when a student joins in, he wants to see inside the campus and outside the campus too. So what about outside? It's completely developed, right?
Yes, outside it is not like a metro city, but there everything is available. Just outside the campus, you can get fruits and vegetables. Yeah, everything.
Also, we have one Akshay supermarket. You can access to every every toiletries, every basic needs you require everyday part of life.
It
So
is a
it's-
supermart basically.
yeah.
We can get it. And we have one more temple near Akshay. So that is a Hanuman temple. We have many idols there. So we have like 2 temples inside.
We do not need to go outside the campus only. Everything is available inside the campus. So like we have the supermarket also. We can buy everything. Like everything is inside the campus.
And what is the famous cultural fest or something over here?
Oasis is the biggest fest over here. It is considered to be the second.
It's huge.
Cultural fest.
Huge.
After IT Bombay.
So it's a 5-day fest, I suppose. So it's basically Asia's second largest cultural fest among all the colleges in India.
you
It's
repeat the
called
name
Oasis.
again?
It's called Oasis. So basically, it's a 5-day festival. Like it's the I think it's the hub of many activities like concerts, games, bands. So there is very famous event called Rock Taves. It has been started from basically 1967 only. So it's since then only this
Okay, it's been
competition.
continuing since years, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
my
it's
last
a
two
very
questions
old
for you.
festival.
The first is like you told me about the hostel and everything is really superb over here, right? So is there any like the PhD students will get only one room, like there will be, yeah. And in masters, how many people are there in one room?
Like masters first year students get like double sharing rooms, but from second years we'll get single rooms.
Okay.
And PhD scholars will get single rooms.
And
And
in-
who are married and they'll get apartments also.
Okay, so that is like feasibility is there in
Yeah.
every corner. Okay. My last question for you. You all guys are sitting for a huge placement opportunities over here, right? So what's your take on the placement opportunities related to your own department or even on the, you can say the overview about the organization? Everyone, I want to know your answers.
In EEE department, mostly microelectronics has the highest placement rate, but whatever it is, Pilani campus has most approximately 100% placement for every department. Even if you are scary about the placements, there is a thing called practice school in Pilani, BITS campus.
Okay.
So that ensures your placement.
So your career is ensured once you enter over here,
Yes.
right? Everyone, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has to add in
That's
this?
why people choose Pilani over IITs many a times, I suppose. That's why. So placements are pretty very
school
good.
is like pretty cool. Yeah, practice school is like pretty cool. Like it ensures if you didn't get placed in like starting of the semester, by the end of the semester you'll get your internship, and it's like 99% you'll get full time.
But you have to strive for that, like.
But you have to. That is there. We have to work for it.
So I think it was a wonderful discussion. The last line was a magical one that she's like, that's why we prefer Pilan than bits over IITs.
That is true.
That's true. Okay. Thank you. That was